Hey ladies, so we are in 2024 and it's nothing like having a good skincare routine. It don't matter what year you in. We're in a new year, so it's like, we gotta get the new stuff, or if it ain't new, just get some new products and kind of like, just revamp and restock the skincare. Now, I want to show you guys a bunch of skincare that I do have. I was very fortunate for things to be sent to me, so I want to say thank you to all the companies. But however, first up on the list, no particular order, we got some, what we got here? We got some drugstore, we got some Ulta, we got some Sephora, we're just having us a good time. So first up, now I'm gonna keep you waiting because I want to do a couple of different series, like, not series, but a couple of part one, part twos, so we can have everything, so we can just kind of like, see all the products. So first up, what I'm using right now and loving is Thayers. This right here, you guys may know it from like the toner and whatnot, but y'all, I have normal to dry skin. You guys know, if you follow me on my YouTube channel, you guys know I love me a good matte look. I'm getting out of that because I'm not trying to rip my skin to pieces. So right now we are in full-blown winter, and this cold air, even though I live in the South, the wind, the chill is still ripe, okay? It's good to have a really good hydrating moisturizer to kind of lock in all that moisture doing all these elements. So this one here is by Thayers. It's a soak it up 80-hour liquid moisturizer. It has snow mushrooms, hyaluronic acid, and shea butter. So I want to read off the side of the box for you guys. So this one says here, moisture made for normal to dry skin, and that is me, okay? And right now we're pushing more towards solely dry, but this right here is lightweight, heavyweight hydration, lasting moisture, invisible on the skin. Now I will definitely say this is so lightweight. In addition to, it says here, I was getting ready to mention about makeup, but it says right here, layers with makeup, and you guys know I wear makeup, so I need moisturizer that can mix very well with makeup. I don't need for my moisturizer to cake up underneath my foundation, or even vice versa. I need everything to go seamlessly, and this is very, very nice, very, very light. And the good thing about it, we have two, so I know I'm going to be using both of them because I do wash my face twice a day, and that's another thing, washing your face multiple times a day, that can definitely have a component to drying your skin out, in addition to the elements, understanding what your water is like and all the good things like that. But I'm being mindful, but I'm very, I'm paying attention. But yeah, this is really nice. I like this, and this will definitely be something I'm going to use and enjoy. And yeah, so moving on, I want to get into this one right here. I have not yet tried this one yet, but I know it's going to be a good one because let me just get into the actual name of it. It's called Barrier Bestie Ultra Whipped Cream. It says boost skin barrier recovery in just one use. I have not used it yet because I've just been enjoying this right now. I definitely have added this into my skincare routine, and within, the different parts of this, you'll see what my skincare routine is at the moment. And I've got to somehow figure out how to get this in here because this is for dry to very dry skin. This is what I need, okay? So the main ingredient, or the main focal point here, is the sugarcane squalene. And we all know squalene is really hot right now. So at a fraction of the cost in your local drugstore, yes. So on the side of the box here, this is what really made me say, Kelly, figure out how you're going to add this into your skincare routine. I really feel like this is something I can use more so at night, or even like if I'm not wearing any makeup during the day, and put this on with some sunscreen. It says here for tight skin, and if your skin is dry, it's going to be tight. Dry patches. I have a few, believe it or not. I just did my skincare, so I'm kind of looking a little shiny. Maybe, I don't know. That uncomfortable feel, that rough skin, that texture, we all know how that feels, and just trying to get through that skin barrier, trying to exfoliate, and you feel you may have, but you're not getting through. This is supposed to really do the job. So these are two of the skincare products that I will be incorporating in the winter in my skincare routine. So you'll be seeing these, and I'll be giving you more updates. So let me know if you like Thayers. I know I do. I love their toner, so let me know.